welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be doing a little mock-up work. Yes, that is correct. Today we are going to put the headers, the motor mounts, on the engine and actually set the engine on the K-member. Gonna do a little test fitting, just kind of get that part of it ready, so when we get the car moved up here, finish up the engine bay, we're just going to set it in. So that is what we're gonna do right now. All right, so I hope you're ready to see all this, because this is what's going down. Got the engine out here, and got the urethane motor mounts from NPD. Get those mounted up. And one quick note, I am gonna go ahead and replace these right here, the cam covers and the bolts. You can see the bolts just look shitty and old, and these are kind of like faded, so I'm gonna replace those, especially to match the timing cover and stuff. I just want the engine to look good for whatever reason. But anyway, let's get busy, get this engine mocked. Alright guys, so motor mounts on. Like I said, these are just 99 to 04 urethane motor mounts. Got them from NPD. 3 bolts. Now, time bolt up the Cook's headers. So they come with OE style gaskets, all the mounting hardware, good to go. So get them mounted up on the engine. Look good, real good. Okay, so mock-up time. You can see the headers are on. These bolts are a pain. Just gonna go on and tell you, just part of it. You're tucking a whole lot of header into a small place, so just be ready for that. This side, nothing to it. But my God, do they look good. Start to see what we're working with. Boom. Yeah. So about to mount up the maximum K member. Starting to look like something now. Okay guys, kind of a long process, and it doesn't matter what header or K member you use. It's still a little bit of a battle getting the K member mocked up, but we got it in here. On this side especially, this was the main issue. We had to cut this nut down a little bit. I don't know if you can see exactly where I'm pointing right there. Or not the nut, but the stud. We had to cut that down a little bit, take the motor mount back out, attach it to the K member and put it back in that way. But it is in, as you can see, plenty of clearance everywhere. Big bad K member is in. Plenty of clearance there. Stock truck pan. As you can see. On this side, plenty of room everywhere. You can see it is tight. Obviously, it's going to be tight, but lots of clearance everywhere. She is in. Like she's ready to go in a Fox body very soon. Okay, so one other thing, guys, I wanted to go over with you in this video. We actually didn't get to spend much time in the engine bay today, just because we were trying to get the engine mocked up, because we're about to move the car over into that bay when Scott's car gets picked up. But I did want to show you real quick, all the panels, they are dry and in. Did a little extra tacking to make sure they sat flat. But that over there, it's looking good. That's gonna be what we hit real hard next video when we're out here working on the car. So engine bay is going to move along really fast. I did want to show you, I stopped at O'Reilly on the way in today and picked up some filler. Let me find it. Yeah, I wanted to show you what we're using for the filler. Just this stuff right here. It's short strand reinforced fiberglass filler. That's what we're going to use to fill in all the crevices and all that good stuff. So, but obviously that'll all be in the next video. I'll show you how that stuff works, how it's going to look and all that. But again, that's what we used in Scott's car. Super good stuff. But yeah, Coyote engine is officially ready to have a seat in the 92. Feeling good. So that is about it, guys. Got a lot done today. I know it doesn't look like a lot, but got all the headers on, got the K member mounted up. Engine essentially is ready to drop in the car. Looks really good. So big things happening. I know Jeremy's ready to get my car up here. I'm ready to get my car up here, and Scott's definitely ready to drive his car. So we are actually getting some things done. I know we keep taking sidebars to go pick up other cars, but hey, you got to do it, right? When the opportunity presents itself, you got to go pick up the car. So it's actually sitting right outside that window. And yes, it is still raining, but I'm not complaining about the rain anymore. I'm done complaining about the rain. So there you go. So in the meantime, guys, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, share it around with your buddies. I would greatly appreciate it. And Coyote build rolls on. It's getting there. It's definitely getting there. Later, guys.